Big difference from yesterday. Today, cool and gray.
I actually grabbed my lightweight jacket when I was out on a shoot today, George. Is it going to stay this cool?
No, back to the warm weather.
Okay.
Yeah, just that one cool down as predicted today, and just a couple of rain showers about. Taking a look ahead on your Wednesday, warmer weather ahead. That's why the 13 weather ball is red.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Around the area, there are a lot of high and mid-level clouds, and that is just enough to create a few sprinkles. A little more sunshine you can see up in the Pentwater area, but just kind of a gray day with cooler temperatures. That wind is coming in off of Lake Huron with a northeast wind. It is only 60 here, mid-50s to the northeast, down close to 70 down in Kalamazoo. It's a little bit more sunshine to the north. Most areas are definitely cooler, almost 20 degrees cooler today compared to yesterday in Grand Rapids. Some light rain thinning on out. These are mid and high level clouds overhead, so just a hint of some sunshine. Back to down to the south, there are some scattered showers down along and south of I-94. Those are not going to make it into our area. A low pressure system has got a stationary front to our south, so we're on the north side of it now, and we're a little bit cooler than yesterday. Overnight, we'll see a couple of sprinkles of rain, but skies will generally clear north of Grand Rapids, and everyone will see sunshine during the day on Wednesday, all the way around. Great day. And then we'll be watching the next round of rain. That will not come into our weather pattern until during the day on Friday, so that's our first chance of rain. We got a little smoke in the air out here, a little haze, and that's going to be with us all the way through Wednesday, and then it will kind of thin out later on in the week toward the weekend. And this near surface smoke that's showing up out here on the weather deck, we are looking at that improving as the week goes on. But in the meantime, we have moderate air quality across the area, and that will stay in the moderate category during the day tomorrow before it does improve for the upcoming weekend. Temperatures in the low 70s here this afternoon, or tomorrow afternoon, mid 70s then on Thursday. And we'll stay in the 70s on Friday, and we may get close to 80 before the week is through. Long range outlook calling for higher chances for warmer temperatures from the 20th through the 24th, and still a higher chance for more rainfall also during that 5-day period. So for tonight, we're looking at mainly mostly cloudy skies, low and mid 40s to the north, around 50 in Muskegon and Holland southward. Northern areas will be in the mid 40s as skies clear later on tonight, and mostly cloudy here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows in the upper 40s. 13 on your side forecast. We have one chance of rain. That'll be Thursday night through Friday morning. We've taken the rain out of the forecast for Sunday now, so a nice weekend. Next week, we'll see some scattered showers, maybe some thunderstorms. Most of that will be centered around Tuesday of next week. But temperatures will continue to be warmer than average for the next 10 days or so. A little pollen, a little smoke in the air.
That's exactly what we said. There must be the pollen.
Yeah, pollen, smoke. Well, come on inside and get some water for your throat, George.
You bet.
Thanks.
What a difference a day makes. Yesterday, 80 degrees, sunshine. Today, it's been mainly in the 50s this afternoon, a little bit of light rain. Well, we're going to flip that again here tomorrow. 13 weather ball is red. We have warmer weather through the weekend ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Well, if you're walking the dogs here this evening, Lake and Sailor there, going to give you the green paw. Maybe you need a light jacket on the adults there, Kathy and Joe, but a green paw also in the morning. Will drop from the low 60s into the low 50s for your start of the day tomorrow as skies gradually clear. Tomorrow, more sunshine, 8.7 out of a 10-point scale from the sun alone. The winds, not too terribly breezy here tomorrow. Light winds out of the east-northeast, so wind and sun creating some green electricity here in next 24 hours. We had some mid-level clouds overhead that had a few sprinkles earlier. We had just trace amounts here at the station down to the south. A line of some showers just north of US 12, south of I-94. Most likely will be dissipating as the heat of the day goes away. Generally north of about M46 onto the north, it's been a sunny afternoon, and we're going to see clearing skies overnight as that stationary front slowly pushes to the south. All all of those showers will dissipate this evening. You can expect mostly cloudy skies in most areas, but clearing to the north of Grand Rapids, and then lots of sunshine during the day tomorrow. Should be an outstanding day, back into the low 70s. We'll see some clouds roll in late in the day on Thursday morning into the afternoon, with our next chance of rain coming overnight Thursday night into Friday. We're still dealing with the haze in the air. This is wildfire smoke that has snuck down from the east and northeast. That will stick with us through the day tomorrow and on into Thursday as well. And some of that smoke may get down close to the surface. It's on the very low category here, but maybe just enough for you to notice it, and that will start to go away, but not until toward the weekend. You can see the light blues across our area all the way through Thursday morning. As far as air quality, right now it's in the moderate category. It's even improved over here in Wisconsin and portions of Iowa after being a very smoky weekend. It's still expected to be in the moderate category so during the day tomorrow. Just take it easy if you're going to be heading outside. Temperatures will recover into the low 70s despite that east-northeast wind here tomorrow, and mid-70s on Thursday. Winds turning back around to the south, and that always means a warmer wind direction. And because we have some clouds around and some showers, we're still going to hit 76. It'll be kind of a humid 76, however, as some of that humidity returns to the region. After this warm spell, we're going to start to cool off toward the Memorial Day holiday weekend, back to closer to our average highs in the low and mid 70s. I'll take that rather than 80, but still a higher chance that we could see more precipitation also during that 7-day period, just beyond the end of our 10-day forecast. Skies will be clearing off to the north. That's why you're down into the low and mid 40s around Ludington and Hart, 50 or so in Muskegon down through Holland and South Haven. Your clouds will hang tough most of the night. These are mid-level clouds. Skies will be clearing later on tonight. That's why you're in the 43-degree range along US 10, mid-40s around Fremont and Greenville. Grand Rapids southward, we're going to hang on to the clouds most of the night. Overnight lows in the upper 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Dry day Wednesday with that haze in the air due to the wildfire smoke, 72 for a high. 76 on Thursday. It should be dry with some haze in the air, but overnight Thursday night into Friday morning, some showers. It'll be humid on Friday afternoon as the sun returns, 76. Sunny skies now over the weekend. We took the rain out for Sunday. That's going to stay away from us. Still a bit humid on Saturday, and Sunday less humid. Monday will also be dry to start our day, but some afternoon and overnight showers, maybe some thunderstorms next Tuesday, lingering to the following Wednesday. And there's that trend toward the more average temperatures in the low and mid 70s heading into the Friday before the Memorial Day weekend. So yeah, warmer trend here, guys.
That weekend is looking really good. I know it's only Tuesday, but still it looks great.
Looking great so far.
Yeah, we can look ahead to the weekend on a Tuesday. That's totally fine.
Thank you, George. I had to close the window this morning because it got chilly.
It did, yeah. Wish I had that blanket on the bed. I took that off because it was warm.
Yes.
Well, take it back off again.
Okay.
It's going to warm up, Juliet.
Good.
We're going to see another 80-degree run at it later on this weekend. And it's going to be warmer tomorrow as well. 13 weather ball is red as we jump back into the 70s ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Only we've gotten to 60 so far here in Grand Rapids. Those highs you see were at midnight. We do not forecast a midnight highs. We forecast daytime highs, and we only made 60 so far this afternoon, so that is outside of our target range. If we measured a midnight high, we would have had a bullseye, but we don't do things that way here at 13 on your side. We've had these mid-level clouds stuck overhead most of the day. Further to the north along US 10 northward, you've enjoyed a lot of sunshine up into the UP. Also some scattered showers, and there was a rumble of thunder down near US 12 earlier this evening, but for the most part those showers are drifting to the west around a low pressure system, and you can see this is where they are going to stay over the next several hours. We'll just be mostly cloudy here in Grand Rapids overnight, but to the north, you're going to see clearing skies overnight, and you'll see the sunshine to start your day. It'll take a little while longer to come down here into the greater Grand Rapids area, but even with the sunshine, we'll be back up into the low and mid 70s. Overnight, Wednesday night, Thursday, we'll see partly cloudy skies, a mostly cloudy day coming up then on Thursday. Looking at a little bit of haze in the air again tomorrow. This is the leftovers from the wildfire smoke, but most of this will be just hazy. But that is going to stick around through at least Thursday before it does improve a little bit over the upcoming weekend. This is the near surface smoke. You notice it's in the very low category. You might get a little sniff of some of that wildfire smoke, but last year we were way up here in the yellows and the oranges and the reds, so this is nothing compared to the last year. But this is going to stick around all the way into Thursday before it finally moves on out. So tonight we have the air quality in that moderate category because it's just up a little bit, starting to show up on some of the monitors, and we'll stay in the moderate category during the day tomorrow. Just take it a little on the easier side if you're headed outdoors. So for tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, a little bit of that haze in the air though, around 70 to 72 northern sections of the lakeshore and down south. We'll be in the mid 70s around Holland and Muskegon. Northern areas, lots of sunshine, some haze in the air. That northeast wind will keep your temperatures in the low 70s, even 74 in Fremont. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, a little bit cooler, closer to Lake Huron. 70 there in Ionia will be 72 Grand Rapids, mid 70s further south. 13 on your side forecast. Haze on Wednesday, Thursday, on Friday. Then the humidity goes up for Friday and Saturday, but our temperatures go up as well. With the added humidity in the air, there's going to be a chance of some overnight showers on Thursday night, ending Friday morning. So Friday afternoon all the way into the weekend, we'll see readings into the mid and upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Next week, still a little bit warmer than average to start, with some showers possible Wednesday, showers and storms and humid on Tuesday, lingering showers next Wednesday, perhaps some storms the following Friday as we cool back down closer to the average in the low and mid 70s.